Meaning of Fuller's earth.
Fuller's earth.
Fuller's earth.
Fuller's earth.
Fuller's earth. Fuller's earth is a type of clay that has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various purposes. It is composed of minerals such as montmorillonite, kaolinite, and attapulgite, which make it highly absorbent and effective at removing impurities from skin and hair. When applied topically, Fuller's earth can help to unclog pores, reduce oiliness, and improve the overall appearance and texture of the skin. It is also commonly used in industrial applications such as oil refining, drilling, and wastewater treatment due to its ability to absorb and filter out impurities.